Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of WTF. Woohoo! So, episode 6.
Episode 6, 3-2 to you.
3-2.
You pulled away into the lead.
Only just though, so thank you to everyone who's rooting for me in the comments. As we're over halfway now, this is your final chance to get your votes in, I think, who you think's going to win. I don't think after halfway you can really start changing who you think's going to win.
I've done it 2 times, so I'm pretty confident I can come back. Since
and I've not
twice.
won 2 times, so I'm hoping
You
I
haven't
can
won
win.
at all.
No. Okay, shall we see what the fudge is in the box?
Ooh, the blindfolds are back out and a load of cotton wool. We're doing the Chubby Bunny challenge again.
Could you imagine with this?
Good
That would be
cotton wool
probably
balls.
my worst nightmare.
Yeah. Why? Don't you like
Putting
them?
that in your mouth. It's a cotton ball.
Yeah, I know.
Like-
I told you that. Anyway, hello Kate and Alex. A new week and a new episode of WTF is upon us. First of all, we want to congratulate Kate for last week's win. It must have been the luck of the Irish.
Yes. This week's challenge is a little different as you guys compete in the WTF Cotton Ball Challenge.
Is
Have
that
you ever
to
seen
see?
this?
No. Is that to see how much of your makeup you can take off as quickly as possible? I'm definitely going to win this.
We think this might be one of the funniest challenges yet.
In front of you, there is a big box of cotton wool balls. Blindfolded, you must hold an empty bowl on your head and using a wooden spoon, scoop as many cotton wool balls into the bowl on your head as possible in 5 scoops.
After 5 scoops, your opponent will then have a go and see if they can beat your total. The person with the most cotton balls in their bowl after 5 scoops wins a point.
You will repeat this 3 times for 3 separate points, and the person with the most points at the end of this week's episode will be crowned the winner.
Good luck, guys. The WTF team. Feel how light they are.
I've felt them before.
So you can like never tell if you've got them in your spoon or not. Let us know down below if you've ever watched this or played it. Okay, let's go get our bowl and we can get
wooden spoon.
started.
So rock, paper, scissors, see who goes first?
Yep. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, well done, Hayley.
You gave me that. There's somehow you know what I'm going to do, and you literally gave me that.
No.
I'm convinced that you know, and you know what I'm going to choose for some reason.
Okay, so
I want you to go first.
you want me to go first?
Yeah.
Okay. Get the technique down.
Yeah,
Okay, so I have 5 scoops. I'm blindfolded. Okay.
that's how it usually
Let's
works.
go.
Good luck.
Here's my spoon.
I'm going to give you one tip and say your spoon was up the wrong way.
Thank you, Al.
Because I think there's no point unless it's the right way. Very good. Very good. Very good.
I know for a fact there was no one on there.
How can you know that for a fact?
Just
You've
the
got your
way
eyes
you're
covered.
saying that.
No, very good. This, oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word.
Am I even in the box?
Yeah. This is so funny. Yeah, keep it up, keep it up. Good work, good work. How many goes is it?
No, this is my last one, isn't it?
Oh, you got it on such a weird angle.
Oh, I don't know what angle I'm on. Okay. Can I open?
Yeah. I think you got a lot more than you thought you did.
Oh my word!
On the second go, you literally took a whole load with you.
Did I actually?
Yeah. And on the first one, you took 1.
What? Did I get it in?
Yeah.
Did I drop
You,
one? I
you
kind
only
of
dropped
felt...
one just at the end. It just fell off you.
Oh my word!
So wait, you
I
need to see
thought
how
I
many this
had
is.
none in there
So
whatsoever.
this is 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
14.
Whoa.
After all the other ones you did, I can't believe you literally got about
That was
8
a fluke.
probably in one
Is
go.
that what it, how much do you think it
Yeah,
was?
probably.
Yeah.
What did I just say? 14?
14.
14.
I'm really impressed with that. I felt like I had none in and I felt you were doing like the, yeah, good, keep
No, I
going
was
because you're
doing
being
an honest.
sarcastic.
I was doing an honest commentary.
Get some combos, this is fun.
Right. My turn.
Alex's turn.
Here we go.
You're like really like butterflied up.
Bowl on my head, spoon in my hand. Here we go. There's the box
There.
here.
Well done. Round 1. Round 2. Get your finger away.
Well, you were allowed to check yours was up the right way.
Oh right, yeah,
I
but
even
not
told
in there. Is that 3?
you. Yeah.
Do you think you've got any?
No. It feels so light. Oh my word, I literally feel like there's nothing on there.
4.
Is that it?
No, you got
One
one
more.
more. 5. In
Is
some
there literally
ways,
none in there?
no, you got way more than you
Have
think
I?
as well.
Really?
I think the wooden spoon also helps grip.
Yeah, it sticks them.
So
oh
should-
my word.
Yeah.
So, do you want to count these out?
Yep.
Since I counted yours.
So we've got 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, it's going to be close, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
14,
And a poopy one.
15. So Alex
my
takes
word.
round 1. So should we do this so you know you've got
Yeah.
1 point?
It's so strange because it feels like nothing's happening.
And also, I thought I was going to have more than you because yours were all quite compressed. My bowl was like this.
How weird. That is so odd.
And you really don't know what you're doing.
No.
That couldn't have been any closer.
No.
Well done, Alex.
Literally one. And
One.
the whole time I felt like nothing
Nothing was
happening.
going in, yeah. I really did felt like as well, that's what I thought that's why you were laughing, because nothing was going in.
Yeah.
Okay, round 2.
Round 2.
Oh dear.
Yeah, that's the right way out.
There was not a single one of them.
God, they really untie very easily.
Yeah. Three is this.
Yeah, I think you've got 2 more, is
2
it?
more.
Last one.
Like, I can feel them on there, but then as soon as I lift up,
Yeah.
it's like they all disperse off the side. Okay, I feel like I've got less than last time. I feel like I've got none.
I think you probably have got less than last time.
Oh yeah, much less. How did it go? Was there ever one I didn't get
Yeah,
any?
last one.
Last one I
The
didn't get
last
any?
one didn't get any. He had one that literally rolled off as you took it up.
No, how sad.
1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11.
More
12.
than I was expecting. It
Yeah.
looked like hardly any.
Right, here we go.
12.
Yeah.
Deary me. Do you think you'll do better this time, or
I kind of think first one was beginner's luck, so I think, yeah.
you won't do as well?
Like you, I think it won't be as many.
Okay. I really was shocked at how many I got in the first round.
Yeah, that was a lot.
Yeah.
Right, here we go. Oh, put this here. Right.
Round 1.
Round 2, isn't it?
No, it's in.
Oh, right.
Into the hat. Alex is going a lot more speedier this round. 2.
I dropped one, didn't I?
3. Maybe. 4.
There was nothing on that one, was there?
Last one.
Is there literally nothing in there this
No,
time?
there's some in there.
But not as many.
The time you thought there was not one on there, there was. And then that last one, like me,
Yeah.
there was not one on there.
Oh, and I've done even worse than you, look.
Let's have a look.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7.
So
Is
it's
it because I
draw.
went too fast?
I don't know.
Or did it not make
because
any difference?
One time you went, like when you went fast, it was in some ways good because you kept them on. Like, I really don't know.
So that's,
like, I don't think there's like a knack to it really.
1 chunk to you.
Thank you. Oh, that really hurt my tooth when you did that.
Really?
Yeah.
Pulling it apart.
It's funny because it's like, if you go slow though, you could have chance of it falling
Yeah.
off. So, I don't know.
Here you go.
Thank you. Last round for me. I'm going to try and get as many as possible. Come on, Kate, let's go. We both do the tap off just in case. I feel like a load just fell off. 2. 3. I'm feeling rubbish this time.
Why?
Don't know. 4. 5. I feel like I literally have none in there. Where did they all go?
You never took any. Every time you brought it up, they all just parted.
I got 1. Should we still count?
Yeah. 1.
1. Oh,
God, the
that's
pressure's
so
on now, isn't it?
sad.
Yeah, but if you got 1, I could very easily only get 1. I could end up with none. You just don't know, do you? You just have
really
no control
don't
over
know.
it.
Like, how did I get 14 the
The
first
first
round?
time, yeah.
And 1. Oh,
I wonder if because we've used them more, they've got less sticky or something.
maybe.
Right.
That was
here we go.
hard.
Last go. Here we go. Right. This way.
1. 2.
I feel like I'm making a strange cake on my head.
4. 5.
Oh no.
No, that was it. You've done 5.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, that was 5. Have I literally got none? I can hear you laughing. 1. Goodness sake.
You got 1.
How has that happened?
Everything kept coming off yours as well.
Goodness sake.
And another round.
One more round then, I guess.
Oh, dearie me.
We
Okay.
were saying what the chances of me doing the same. Very high.
Okay. Ow. Let's go. That one felt good.
Really.
Yeah.
It's interesting to know.
You hold them up.
Yeah.
Oh, that one didn't feel good.
Really.
Three.
So on my go, when did I get the 1?
4. It was the first one.
Really?
And I was literally like, you're gonna get all of them now. I think that one there felt better.
You
Did I-
literally took the mother load on the
Did
last
I actually?
go. Yeah.
Oh, not really mother load though.
Yeah, but that's probably more than 10, I reckon.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
12.
Yeah, that's more like the first
13.
time.
That's more like it. Okay.
Now, so the thing is, all I had to do was beat 1 before.
1.
And I couldn't do it. And now I've got to beat 13. Goodness sake. Here we go.
You're gonna do it, Bruce.
Well, if I don't do it, it's going to be 4-2 to you. So I've got to do it. You holding the box?
Yep. 1. How did that feel?
Not good.
2. 3. Did you
Felt
feel that?
Felt that one. That was probably the only one on there.
4. Last one. Make it a good one. Schooner. 5.
I bet I've got 1 again, haven't I?
I think it's going to be close.
Really? Is
Yeah.
it a lot again? Why have I got a lot again?
I don't know. How has it worked that way again?
Oh, is this
No,
one
you-
here?
yeah.
Does this count as well?
No.
1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10. And what was it? What did I get?
13. 13. All I had to do was beat 1.
1, I know.
And I
That's
give you
what
another
makes
go.
it even worse, doesn't
And
it?
you get 13. Goodness sake.
You let me have that one.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Why would I do that?
Go on, yeah, you did. So, that was fun though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think that's...
Yeah.
Oh my word, you're picking these up at the end. We gotta do it. It's snowing! It's...
Never!
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 I can feel like dust in the air.
Yeah.
You over the head. We didn't get much snow this year, so this is our fun.
Yeah, we were promised it. We didn't get it.
We need to pick these up for the... Okay, right. I literally won that by the skin of
Skin of
my
your
teeth.
teeth.
Well done, Alex.
No, well done, you.
Thank you.
It's 4-2.
4-2.
Safe!
I'm breaking away, but I'm not going to get too cocky because we
'cause
still
you know what
have
happens
4
last time you got
episodes.
cocky.
4 episodes, so
Yeah.
you have plenty of time to beat me.
Yeah,
Okay, did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed it.
Even though you didn't win, I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, I actually got that in my mouth.
God, who keeps throwing those? Hey!
We hope you enjoyed that. We definitely did. Go get yourself some cotton balls, a spoon and a bowl, and it's so much fun to do with your
Yeah.
friends and family. I just know you're planning something. We hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
See ya!